I'm Andrew Thomas. I'm the chairman of Prostate Cymru Charity. Prostate Cymru was established to make sure that the men in Wales, if they got prostate disease, have the best available treatments. Probably most importantly, to make men aware of the symptoms of prostate disease and to get men to present early when prostate disease is treatable and curable.
Andy has had a huge impact via Prostate Cymru on the health of men in this nation. 1 in 8 people in Wales will get prostate cancer. So raising awareness is huge. It's a huge part of what Prostate Cymru do, which has saved many, many lives.
Even now beyond his retirement, he's still spending time for the good of other people. It's Andy's work that is enabling us to help the men in Wales. It's priceless.
To be nominated for the St David's volunteering section really is a huge honour, and I'm just very pleased for not just myself but for the large number of people involved in Prostate Cymru Charity, from our volunteers, our fundraisers, my staff and our friendship groups all across Wales.